Hello, I'm Rouge the Bat. We will talk about the Air Force. Check out the latest update we have made. An Air Force is, in the broadest sense, the national military branch that primarily conducts aerial warfare. More specifically, it is the branch of a nation's armed services that is responsible for aerial warfare as distinct from an army or navy. They typically consist of a combination of fighters, bombers, helicopters, transport planes and other aircraft. During World War I, it used its Zeppelins to drop bombs on British cities. During World War II, planes had become much safer, faster, and more reliable. They were adopted as standard for bombing raids and taking out other aircraft because they were much faster than airships. How the strategic bombing is developed. The war ended when United States Army Air Force's Boeing B-29 Superfortress bombers dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan in August 1945, killing and injuring lots of people. The United States Air Force became an independent service in 1947. As the Cold War began, both the USAF and the Soviet Air Force built up their nuclear-capable strategic bomber forces. Lastly, Air Force infantry, such as the Royal Air Force Regiment, Royal Australian Air Force Airfield Defence Guards, RNZAF Security Forces, and the US Air Force Security Forces, are used primarily for ground-based defense of air bases and other Air Force facilities. Air Force Special Forces, such as the US Air Force Special Tactics, Brazilian Parasar, and Pakistani Special Service Wing. So you now know how Air Forces work. Like, comment, and subscribe now.